Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Nick, and today we are going to be talking about animals. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you some flashcards with some pictures of animals on them. I'm then going to say the word of what the animal is. I would like it if you would repeat the word after me. Are you ready to get started? Great. This is a crocodile. Can you say crocodile? One more time. Crocodile. Crocodile is a large animal that's got two strong jaws with lots of sharp teeth. Up next, we have a hippo. Can you say hippo? One more time. Hippo. A hippo is a big, strong animal who likes to open his big mouth very wide and show off his enormous teeth. This is a kangaroo. Can you say kangaroo? One more time. Kangaroo. Kangaroos have strong legs and they like to jump, jump, jump. That's how they move around. Our next animal is the sloth. Can you say sloth? Let's try one more time. Sloth. Sloths are very slow animals who like to live in the trees. They move very slowly. This is a koala. Can you say koala? One more time. Koala. Koalas also like to live in the trees. They spend most of their day asleep. And last, this is a leopard. Can you say leopard? One more time. Leopard. A leopard is a big cat. They like to live in the trees and are very shy. They are very strong and are yellow with black spots. Let's review. Do you remember what this is? Can we say crocodile? What about this one? Can you say hippo? And here we have a kangaroo. This is a sloth. Here we have a koala. And finally, we've got a leopard. Thank you very much, everyone. Well done.